This number 1 already we have done. Number 2 also. This 3 also here. All these things we have done. Next one, assignment also already I have given. And this also already we have done. Here, relation between angles made by a transversal in a pair of parallines. These things just before I have told you. Experiment number 1: if a transversal intersects two parallines, the alternate angles are equal. This already I have done. You look here. We have to draw 3 figures like this. Okay, in 3 different places. Okay, and number 2 also we have done. And experiment number 3. Okay, this also we have done, and everyone try to do. Today I am going to explain about example, illustrated example. So look here, number 1. This number 1. Look, 2 lines are given line, and 1 transversal is given here. The name of parallines and transversal not given. Just 2 parallines and a transversal given, and the angles made by them. You look here. How many angles shown there? 4 angles shown. We have to find, with the help of given angle, we have to find the unknown angles. Okay. But here, not asking about the unknown angles. Here, find the value of unknown variables. Unknown variables means we have to find the value of x, y, and z. Look, everyone. They are given twice x, 4z, y, angle 64 given. With the help of given thing, we have to find the value of x, y, z. Everyone look. Okay, find the value of unknown variables. You look the adjoining figure there, given figure. Okay, in its solution, here twice x equal to, you look, twice x equal to 64 degree. How 64 degree? Being alternate exterior angles in parallines. This is important. Even in your book. In your book, it is not, this angles not given. Look, exterior angles, they are alternate exterior angles. They are alternate exterior angles. Okay. They are both of them, twice x also exterior, 64 also exterior. They are outside of the parallines. So the exterior, you look. And they are alternate, they are lying alternate. Means different side of the transversal. Twice x in the side of transversal and 64 is, twice x is in left side of the transversal and 64 is right side of the transversal. So they are equal. They are equal. Remember, alternate exterior angles in parallines are equal. Don't forget. But this thing not in your textbook. So remember this. So x equal to, we can write 64 degree divided by 2. Which is equal to 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32 degree. Therefore, x equal to 32 degree. You look. Another, you look here. Now to find y plus 64 degree equal to 100 degree. This you know. This thing already you know. This is easy. Being the sum of a straight line. Look, if you add y and 64, you will get a straight line. It means that is a straight angle. Straight line means straight angle. What's the value of straight angle? What's the value of straight line?
180.
180 degree. Yeah, 180 degree. Yeah, but you have learned another reason also you can give. Being linear pair also you can say. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Most of you,
Sir, we can linear pair.
of you are clear. You are familiar about linear pair. But where to give the always same reason? Give different reason also. Learn different thing also. If you are learning always same thing, you are learning new thing. So here I am giving little bit different reason. Thing is same. You can write linear, being linear pair also you can write. But let's give reason also. New thing also. So being the sum of straight line. Straight line means here straight angle. You know the value of straight line is straight straight angle which is equal to 180 degree. So y equal to, we can write 180 degree minus 64 degree. 64 transposing to the right side, it becomes minus. So 180 degree minus 116 degree equal to
116.
how much? 116 degree. Therefore, y equal to 116 degree. Y also we got. What is left? Now z is left. X we got, y we got. Now z, we have to find the z. To find z, we have, option here. Not only one way. In some cases, we can find, we have alternate. Which way you want to find? Here, taking the alternate angles. But if you want to take twice x plus 4z, from that also you can find. You have option here in this case. So 4z equal to y. Here it is better to use 4z equal to y. Why? Because already the value of y we have got. So it shorten your steps. Why to do long way to go in long way? If you get its answer in shortcut way, why to go walk in the long way? Why to do more steps? So in short, we can write 4z equal to y degree or 4z equal to y, being alternate angles in parallel lines. So 4z equal to, already we have got the value of y equal to 116 degree. So in place of y, we will put 116 degree. Z equal to 116 divided by 4. Now 116 if you divide by 4, we get 29 degree. Therefore, z equal to 29 degree. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Okay. No. But one thing remember, alternate angles formed by a transversal with the parallel lines only equal. If the alternate angles are not formed in parallel lines, they are not equal. Remember. So these things already we have learned. Okay, now I'm going to share another page number, another page. You look, another example. Another example. You look here. In this case, this is a little bit difficult. Okay, little bit difficult. You must have creativity here. Here you have to make construction. Construction means not always to make, using compass, pencil, like that, using that. Not like that only. Also, we have to make construction. Construction means we have to draw the line, straight line here. If we cannot find the value, what is asking there? We cannot solve that problem. From the given figure, we need helping figure. Here, helping figure means we need a straight line. But from where to draw that straight line? You look, this is very important. This similar type of problem you can find in your book also. So in some cases, you have to make the construction like this. So here, example, to find the value of x. In the edge joining diagram, from the edge joining figure, you find the value of x. You look there, one angle is 50 degree, another angle is 46 degree given. Okay, and that x we need to find there. X is the angle formed by two straight lines. You have to find the value of x. So how to find its solution? Already I have told you. In this case, we have to make the construction. Here, look, a parallel line to two given parallel lines is drawn. Look, that a parallel line is drawn, making parallel to the given two parallel lines. In that way, you have to draw. You cannot draw that line what it like. You can draw. Look, that line is passing through the vertex of that angle x. Passing through that vertex, you have to draw parallel to two given parallel lines. So here, look, give one part of that x, you give degree, and another part you give the name b degree. Like that, as in the figure, you look here. Second figure, you look second figure. Okay, in that way. It means angle x, whole angle is divided into two parts. Don't you think they are equal? A degree and b degree, they are equal. Don't you think? Anyway, that x is divided into two parts. One is a degree, another is b degree. Are you listening me? Srijana, Srijana, BK,
Or
Yes,
are you
sir.
listening me?
Yes, sir.
Be attentive.
Okay, sir.
Give 100% attention there. Yeah. Already I told you, you cannot solve this type of problem easily. If you are not constructing in correct way, you cannot solve. So get the idea of this. Okay. So here you look. The angle, whole angle x is divided into two parts. One is a degree, another is b degree. So here, that the line which is passing through that, the vertex of the angle x, that is parallel to two given lines. So a equal to 54 degree. Why?
Sir,
Being
45
alternate
degree.
angles in parallel lines. What?
Sir, A and B,
A
they both are 45 degree.
wait. A and B no 45. That same thing I am telling you. You are not giving attention. If you are not giving attention, this is not a story.
E
That
is
is not a
54,
story.
B is
Huh?
46.
Yeah, you have to give full attention here. Okay, A equal to 54 degree. You look there. A equal to 54 degree. Why 54 degree? Being alternate angles. Being alternate angles in parallel lines. You look,
6.
they are in different side of the transversal. And leave B to 46 degree. Why? Same reason. Being alternate angles in parallel lines.
Parallel.
Now x, here actually we have to find the value of x. X equal to a plus b. Whole angle, x is whole angle, is divided into two parts. One is a and another is b. If you get the sum of a and b, that gives the whole angle x. So here, a equal to 54 degree. Look above, already we have got. And b equal to 46 degree. Look above, already we have. Now 54 degree plus 46 degree equal to how much? 100 degree. Therefore, x equal to how much? 100 degree. Like this, you have to solve. Now, this type
So
of,
we can write, so
okay,
instead of parallel lines, we can write like that also in exam.
what like that?
But that you have drawn two lines, not that.
What? Tell me. Yeah.
So in being alternate angles in parallel line, instead of that parallel, you have drawn two lines. We can also do like that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can write, but it is better to write complete sentence. But just I am giving you new notation. Okay, like this also you can do in exam if you can write correctly, but it must be correct.
Okay,
Are you
sir.
getting me?
Yes,
If you
sir.
can write this, no problem.
Okay,
Being
sir.
alternate angles in parallel lines like this you can write. Okay, that is the sign of parallel lines. Remember. But if those lines, those lines, you look, if they are not like parallel, not correct.
Sir, we have to
Parallel
solve
means
A
they
and
don't
B.
fit. What?
Sir, we have to
For
solve
wow.
A and B.
For which?
Sir, for these two
For
numbers.
which?
These two numbers.
Huh?
54 and 46. For supposing
Yeah.
54 and 46.
सर अब हामी
Any
त्यसलाई
in place of A and B,
गरेर
you can.
सपोज गर्नुपर्छ हैन
Yeah. Suppose the किन त हुनु पर्यो नि. You must have some name. If you don't have name, huh? How to know who is you? How to know Sirijana? Who is Sirijana? If you don't have name, you have your name, so everyone knows. Yeah, and you know by your name. If somebody calls you, Sirijana means you, not other. In the same way, yes, so to give name. If no name, how to? Okay. But here not necessary, not compulsory to give A. In place of A, you can give another name. Okay. In place of A, you can give. Oh yeah.
It's
Yeah.
variable.
Don't give X. No X. X already there. 2 times X you cannot use there.
Yes.
Are you getting me?
or anything
That whole angle also X. Whole angle also X. Its parts also X. You cannot
Keep
You
saying
like this. Yeah, name any new name you can. Now I am coming to the assignment. Assignment page number 8. You open page number 8. You look there. Here you have to do all. Because if you do all these, you will have idea how to solve the problem based on parallel lines and transversal. Angles made by transversal with the parallel lines. So all to try. You look, in some cases, you have instruction here also. Okay. So for that, I have given this question. Okay. I want to ask you from page number 8. Okay. Here one number in the figure, two straight lines are intersected by a transversal. List the pair of following angles. Here saying that's not called. But I am asking. Okay, I'm asking what Prashna Fuel. Yeah. Prashna Fuel. Tell me. Okay. Yeah. In number 1, pair of angles you look here. Is angle 5 equal to angle 4? What do you think? Is angle 5 equal to angle 4? Prashna Fuel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sudeep Thapa. Sudeep
Yes,
Thapa.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sijana,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
is angle 5 equal to angle 4? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Everyone here.
Alternate angle.
Is this Sandhya Casey just now coming? Huh? Sandhya Casey. Sandhya is just now coming. Why so late? Huh?
Orbani is coming.
Okay. Okay, listen. 2, 3. Sijana, Prashna, Sudeep. Okay. You 3. Are you sure? Angle 5 is equal to 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because it is alternate angle.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
if everyone, okay, listen here.
Sir, for
Every
it is not
Sijana,
parallel
every
line.
listen. I am asking. Every Sijana, if every Sijana is you, huh? Every Prasamsa is you, every Sudeep is you, huh? Sudeep can be another person also. No,
Can be.
these two angles are not equal. Angle 5 is not equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is not equal to angle 4. Why they are not equal?
Because
They are not formed with the parallel lines.
Because
They
they
are
are
Because they
They
are
are
not.
not formed with the lines. Before giving answer, think what type of angles they are, how they are formed. They form the parallel lines, or they are not formed with the parallel line. If they are not formed with the parallel lines, they are not equal. So, they are not equal. Angle 5 is not angle 4. Angle 7 is not equal to angle 3. Corresponding angles also not equal. If they are formed with the parallel lines, in that case only corresponding angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal.
corresponding.
Sum of the co-inferior angle is 180 degree or two right angles. Remember.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next. Next one. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
we don't need to go page number 9.
Huh?
Page number 8.
Sir, we don't need to go page number 9.
Yeah, I am asking from page number 8. I have asked from page number 8. Now I am going to ask Helioki. I want to ask other also. Rasik Bhandari.
Thank God.
Yes,
Is
sir.
here Rasik Bhandari?
Yes, sir.
Rasik Bhandari, yeah. I am going to ask you from question number 2.
Sir,
Page
I don't
number 8.
have book.
Why?
Sir, I don't have book.
Why? You don't need book?
Not buy it.
Why? Why? Huh? You don't want to learn?
No,
Huh?
sir.
Then? If the students don't have book, don't have pen, don't have exercise copy, then how do you learn? Okay, be sincere. How you do the exercise? Every time after taking the class, every time I have given you the assignment. How you do the assignment?
Sir, he is new.
Okay. Agya Karki is here. Agya Karki. Agya Karki.
She is present.
She is not here.
She is present, but camera and video are off.
No. She can listen. She can hear. If she is not in the video also, she can
Sir,
join.
she cannot hear because
She can't hear you.
connect audio.
Our audio is
What?
She cannot hear because disconnect audio.
our audio is disconnected.
Disconnected?
There might be some problem. Sir,
Okay. Let's see other. Okay. Amisha Dakal. Amisha Dakal. Amisha Dakal.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Question number 2, you look here, page number 8. Here, find the value of x, y, and z from given figure saying there. Two parallel lines are intersected by transversal. They are given two lines are parallel. Arrow given there. Look, arrow given there pointing towards the same direction. It means they are parallel lines. Remember, how to know by the notation. By the notation given, how to know the parallel lines? They are parallel lines. If there is given arrow towards same direction, they are parallel lines. So here, just I am asking, value of x degree equal to how much? Tell me. Value of x degree equal to how much?
Corresponding angle that is
Huh? Yeah? How much? Value of x equal to how much?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, it means you are not practicing.
Sir, I know.
Sir, 60 degree.
Yeah,
Because of corresponding angle.
60 degree. But here, yeah, you have to give the reason. So, okay?
Corresponding angle.
They are
Corresponding else, yeah. Not only that much. You look, corresponding angles formed with the parallel lines. Corresponding angles formed with the parallel lines. If they are not with the parallel lines, they are not equal. So give the reason to the point. Okay. Now after this, you look here. Y degree equal to us. Y degree equal to how much?
Y degree is
Y degree equal to how much?
Y Y plus
This is 180 degrees.
Sir, y degree is
I am asking how much?
y plus equals to 180 straight line.
Sir, 120
In
degree.
No, I
linear
am not
two.
asking.
Angle.
Y degree equal to how much? My question is y degree equal to how much?
120 degree.
120 degree. 120
Because
degree.
of
Yeah,
because
120
there
degree.
are,
But how comes?
because
Yeah.
of linear pair. Straight line. The parallel lines are equal to
Okay.
180
How
degree.
to get that? Okay, stop. How to get that? That I degree of 60 degree equal to 100 degree, 180 degree. Yeah?
Because
Yeah or
they
no?
are linear pair.
Yes, sir.
5 degree plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. From that, now after in another step, y degree equal to 180 minus 60 degree equal to 120. We get. But my question is, y degree equal to how much? You have to say 120 degree.
Yes, sir.
But how we get? To get that, we have to make the equation y plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. And you have to give the reason in the bracket. Give the reason in the bracket. Yeah,
Linear pair.
yeah. Being
Linear pair.
straight.
Being straight line or
Straight line or
linear
linear
angle or straight line.
Yeah, yeah.
Being straight line
Both
or
correct.
linear.
Both correct. Okay. Both correct. Okay. So you can do
Yes,
two
sir.
numbers. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Two number you
sir.
can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's talk three number. Are the
Sir,
lines A,
2G.
B, and C parallel?
Sir, एक से 2 को G से कर दो.
1, 2,
2G.
2, C.
G.
2,
2Z.
Sir, we should suppose that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. 3 power.
No, no. Listen.
Here is
Hey,
question.
listen here. If you are not listening, you will not
Be
learn. You will not understand. So first listen here. What the teacher is saying. First listen carefully. Already I have told you, give 100% listening. It means attention. So here, these two lines are parallel lines. Already said there, the given lines are parallel lines. So here, what we can write? 3x plus 10 equal to 4 minus 10 we can write. Why? Why? They are alternate angles with the parallel lines. They are alternate angles formed with the parallel lines. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Picture. You look, they are alternate angles. You know, alternate angles, if they are formed with the parallel lines, they are equal. So 3x plus 10 equal to 4x minus 10. So here, to get the value of x, how much we get? Take transpose x together. It means collect x together, left side, and other constant to the right side. So you will get here, how much you will get? Everyone look here. X equal to, you will get 20 degree. How much you get?
20.
How much? 20 degree. But you simplify.
20.
How to get it? By simplifying.
That x to the power
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
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 So x to the power something there, no?
Degree, that's degree. You know, angle is measured in degree. If you are not writing that also.
Sorry,
no
it
problem.
was like C, that's why.
No, see. Oh, see. You must understand. This is the, in this standard also confusing. Angle is measured in degree. So that's the symbol of degree. Okay. So in the similar way, okay, try to do number 3, 4 also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And look the examples also. And next time I'll start in number system. There is one topic is left. That topic is rational numbers. That rational number I'll start next time.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Everyone clear?
Okay,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
And
Yes.
Sure.
okay. Again, some of you while submitting your assignment, you are submitting at a time all. Maybe you are not doing yourself. If you are not doing yourself, you are not practicing yourself, you cannot do in the exam. Just you are cheating if you are doing like this. Get the idea. If you don't have idea, if you don't have knowledge how to solve a problem, You are cheating the teacher. Like this, if you are cheating the teacher, you cannot solve exam. So do try yourself. No problem. It is not necessary to do all of them, all of the problem should be correct. You have to learn your mistake. Learn from your mistake. Today you will make mistake. Tomorrow you will make mistake. Maybe day after tomorrow also you will make mistake. But one day you can solve yourself. Trying yourself. And in that way, if you are solving the problem, you will not forget. Your effort, you cannot forget. But if you are getting the solution from your friend easily, from teacher, you will forget easily. What you get easily, you will forget easily. What you get easily, you can lose easily. So work hard. Try yourself, not only 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, for